alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to the science class. In this video, we are going to look into the world of living creatures. We all know that our earth is a special place. On earth, different living creatures have developed over many years and have adapted their habitats. Do you know what is a habitat? Well, a habitat is an environment which an organism perceives to be its home. A habitat meets all the environmental conditions in which an organism needs to survive. The main characteristics of a habitat are shelter, food, water, and the climate in which they live. For example, a shore crab's habitat includes small bays on the coast, whereas a golden eagle's habitat are pine trees or oak trees based on height near lakes or rivers. Let's think about the habitat of a rabbit. A habitat of a rabbit includes areas of grass and other vegetation for it to eat. It must also provide shelter from the weather and from its predators. Most habitats are home to a range of organisms, such as large trees. Large trees are the habitats for different birds and other animals. Similarly, human beings also has a habitat to live in. But humans have all sorts of effects on the environment. They affect the environment in positive and negative ways. Cutting down trees, littering, and polluting the environment have a negative effect. Whereas protecting endangered animals, cleaning lakes, rivers, or seas, and planting more trees has a positive effect on the environment. We can also have a positive impact on the environment by recycling waste materials. Dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed learning about living creatures and their environment. Jazakallah and happy learning.